Hi everyone, this is Monica Peters. I'm a student at Full Sail University. This is my video review for Project 1. I'm going to give you a 5-minute walkthrough my application plans documentation. I'm going to do one on raw vegan shopping. Application definition statement. Purpose of my app will be to help raw vegans as they shop and plan their shopping list. My intended audience, new raw vegans that use iOS devices while shopping or before shopping to create their shopping list. Help them avoid foods that have very high amounts of pesticides. The core functionality will let them view a list of raw vegan non-organic food that has the lowest and the highest amounts of pesticides. The feature set will have a list of non-organic food with 0 or very low pesticides, a list of non-organic food with highest amounts of pesticides. And then I have a nice to have list. That means because we have like 1 week to get our schoolwork done, and I know that I can't be working on all these features in 1 week, so I have to keep it really simple, so I put it down to just 2 of these. A user questionnaire is part of my user research. I created these questions to try to find users that would actually be interested in using this mobile app that I'm researching to develop. The type of questions I'm asking is and how often do they use a mobile phone or tablet. That will help me identify users that are comfortable using mobile devices. If someone's not comfortable using a mobile device, they're probably not going to enjoy using a mobile app. To ask what type of mobile phone device or tablet they use to find existing iOS users. So ask where they use their mobile phone or device. That could help me when I'm developing the UX to make sure it adapts to the end user's environment. For example, if I see that someone is using an iOS device at home all the time, the chances are high that maybe that device is going to be in a stand, maybe, landscape view or whatever, whereas compared to a user that is using a mobile phone mostly on the go, while they're, shopping or walking or even running, the way I would develop the user interface for that type of user would be a lot different. I'm going to also ask how often they search for and install mobile apps. That should help me qualify the people that can install mobile apps. What type of mobile apps do you use the most? By asking that question, that could help me in my planning to identify potential competitors or partners and plugins to use in my app when I'm developing it, and even to help me plan my marketing and advertising tactics for this app. Would an app that provides a shopping list of raw, vegan, safe, non-organic foods be useful to you? That'll help me qualify participants, and it goes back to my target audience, which is newer raw vegans, even though it's not organic. My user personas and scenarios. My primary persona is, and she says here, I survived cancer. Secondary persona down here, and that's Megan Hubbard. And she says, my mother wants me to avoid raw vegan foods that are high in pesticides. Competitive app analysis, heuristics evaluation. I created a separate video for this according to our class assignment, and you can find that on my YouTube channel. This is my heuristics evaluation sheet. I evaluated Raw Food Diet by FitKit, also Food Additives by iGrass. They're not quite like what I'm thinking about developing and what I'm researching. However, they're very similar in that they provide useful information for raw vegans. This concludes my 5-minute walkthrough of my application plans documentation.